Welcome back to exercise 13.3, allowing a program through the firewall of the Windows 7 configuration lab manual, exam 70-680. Exercise 13.3 starts at top of page 140. So on your machine, in the Windows Firewall control panel, click Allow a program or feature through Windows Firewall. So let's get to there. Start, Control Panel, System and Security, Windows Firewall. And allow a program or feature through Windows Firewall. And then this window comes up. You already have some defaults, if you will, for certain services and whatnot that you can just click to enable. You don't have to do anything else. And in this case, because we could not reach this computer, we want to do World Wide Web Services, HTTP. Yeah, there we go. Change settings. And there we go. We want to enable that. And we're going to click OK. Okay, now back to our other machine that we're using as a test to test access to it. And again, our IP is 10.1. Whoops. Let's try that again. .1.10.16. Okay. Remember that before when we tried that, it didn't work unless we turned the firewall off. So now it works. And the question 11 at the top of page 141 is, why are you now able to connect to the website from the client? Well, essentially because we've told Windows, using one of its defaults, that we want people to be able to access it. Now you'll notice here that we've got two options: home and work, or private networks and public. I never allow anything on public. I always, it's bad enough to do it on here, home and work. As I mentioned in the last video, there's a fallacy, and most people get stung because they believe their local area network is safe, and more often than not, it's definitely not. So, okay, and now they want us to try the intranet website. So, if you recall, the intranet website was attached to port 4444. So let's see what we get. And I'm sure you know the answer to this. Okay, so the web page is not available. And the question it asks is, why are you unable to connect to the intranet site from the client? Well, again, the default for the World Wide Web, or HTTP, is port 80. Our intranet site is on port 4444. We have not enabled a rule or created a rule to allow traffic through port 4444. And that's the end of exercise 13.3.